Testing, America's leading independent automotive testing company, was engaged by Toyota to certify the comparison of its 2018 Camry LE in overall quality and craftsmanship among the 5 top-selling competitors in its segment. The body gaps on the Camry LE are clean, straight, and consistent. In contrast, note the variance in body gaps on some of the tested competitors, indicative of their failure to maintain strict manufacturing tolerances. Like its steering wheel, the finish on the Camry LE bumper illustrates the overall attention to detail found on the Camry LE. Mold lines on the Malibu LS bumpers exhibit another attention to detail issue that shaped the test group's overall results. AMCI testing conducted 20 evaluations of body panel fit and assembly quality and certified Camry LE is superior to these tested competitors. The 2018 Toyota Camry LE, once again setting the benchmark in its class.